Hi guys, Luke here from TEAM AnyPond. Today we're in Chipping Norton and we're going to be building a medium wildlife pond with a 2 metre added stream. So I'll just show you. So as you can see, Kenny's made the start digging out the middle. The first shelf was already dug out by the client, so we're now just digging out the centre of the pond. Going to have a intake bay over here holding pump vault, which will house the pump, and then over here where the bifolds is already placed is whereabouts we're going to put it, with the 2 metre stream running into the pond. So yeah, good start. Stay tuned for the AnyPond Showcase. Good morning guys, we're here again in Chipping Norton. Had a good day yesterday, quite productive. Kenny's just finishing digging the foundations for the pond. Most of it's now dug. Got the bifolds in place over there and the pump vault and the aqua blocks over there. So the main focus of today would be to finish the foundation off, get the underliner in and hopefully start rocking. So good morning guys, we're back here in Chipping Norton. Going to carry on with the build today. Unfortunately the weather's not quite as nice as it has been on other days, but we'll crack on nevertheless. Got about half of it rocked in, so we've got a load more stone in the van that we're going to bring up and finish off rocking this pond. We're also going to probably make a start on the stream today. Made quite good progress again today. Still needs a little bit more water in there. Made a good start on the waterfall, and obviously once the plants are in, it brings it all to life, blends it all a lot better. Join us again tomorrow and possibly we'll even finish it. Good morning, day 4 of the build. The water's nice and clear this morning. Got a bit better weather as well than yesterday, so that's always good. We've got a few finishing touches to put in, but it's coming along nicely. So the main focus of today will be to get the edging done, finish off the stream. We're going to put some plants in here. We've created some planting pockets. As this is a wildlife pond, it's not going to have any fish in here, so we're going to try and maximise the space with it. Hi guys, today we're back in Chipping Norton to come and have a look at one of the ponds we built a few weeks ago. We're also going to be doing a little bit more work on it. We're going to be putting in some stepping stones and adding a lily to the pond. I'll spin you around and show you. The pond's looking amazing. Trish has put in a lot more plants surrounding the pond, which again just always adds even more character. The pond's looking good, the water is really clear. Trish has also added in some little goldfish and some little pumpkins in there. Stream's working nicely. There's a little bit of algae on the stones, but the client has said that they actually quite like it there. Makes it look a bit more authentic, a bit older, like it's been there for a while. Hi guys, today I'm back here in Chipping Norton to have a little visit to a pond that we finished a couple of months ago. It's now fully established. Trish, the client, has done a lot of planting around the pond, which has really just brought it all to life. It looks incredible. The pond's still nice and clear. The fish seem very happy in there. The waterfall's still running very nicely. No issues with it.
Hi, my name's Trish Boyd. I've been looking for a wildlife water pond for quite some time. Looked at numerous different places. I eventually spotted Mark from AnyPond on YouTube and was quite impressed with what I saw. So I asked the guys over to come and see what they could do for us. I wanted to have some water in the garden. Thought it was important to. I like the sound of water. I think it's quite relaxing. And I wanted it for the wildlife as well. And just from a personal point of view, to sit there when you finish gardening and just listen to the water and just enjoy it and just relax. And it is quite relaxing just to sit by the side of the pond and take it all in. Really nice. I'm really pleased with it. Well, I would definitely get AnyPond to come and have a look at the site and give their opinion about what needs to be done. I've had lots of different people coming along and giving me their ideas, but AnyPond was far and away the more professional and helpful company. Ooh, I like the way it looks quite natural, even though it's made. I like the idea of all the big rocks. It makes a lot of difference. You said one feature. I think the waterfall is very nice because of the sound. I have been thinking that because this has made such a difference to the top of the garden, I've got another area down by the side of the house, which I'm thinking that I might want to get you guys over and have a look at it to see what we could do there. But that's right by the side of the patio. So no, I'm very pleased, and I'm very pleased with AnyPond for all the work they did, and they did it really efficiently and very quickly and tidily. So we were very happy with that. My granddaughter came to say she loved the idea of the pond. I said, oh, well, I need to get some more water plants, some aquatic plants. So we went and had a look, and then of course there were fish there. Cut a long story short, I ended up buying a lot of little goldfish. She loved it. She loved, preparing it, putting it into the pond. She thought it was really good. And more importantly, she's really mad on Spider-Man. So one of the fish is called Tom Holland, who's the actor. Well, the red one with a bit of black. But anyway, but we've only got a few fish, and I don't plan to have any really big fish or anything like that. And I think the pond can cope with that. I just love it. I just love it.
Good. Well, thank you very much for doing that for us.
And thank you.